Personal development coaching is not a new concept. However, it is one that is emerging as a popular option in the world of business today. There are many people utilizing the services of life coaches and professional business coaches. They do this for many reasons. Take a look below to understand more about personal development coaching and what it is. Who uses personal development coaching? There are many people utilizing business coaching services today. In each industry there is a need for stronger leaders, more productivity, and better communication. There are multiple components that make a business thrive and be successful. Major companies often employ personal development coaches to help their management teams learn how to be the best leaders. If a management team is full of great leaders, they usually have great teams beneath them, which creates a positive domino effect throughout the company. In addition to large companies, small business owners also use the resources available from personal development coaching. Perhaps they want to take their ideas and create something huge with them. Personal coaching can give them the skills and confidence they need to make their dreams come true. Personal development coaches work with you on 1. Relationships. 2. Communication. 3. Time management. 4. Motivation. 5. Productivity. 6. Leadership issues. 7. Life coaching. 8. Any other area in life. Depending on the size of the business, many personal development coaches will conduct large meetings for companies. You may even find an open meeting in your city that you can attend. These meetings allow the coach to reach a larger group of people at one time. You can not only gain useful information at these meetings, but also gain contacts by communicating with those around you. With one-on-one coaching, you can gain a lot more personal attention. You can focus with your coach on your goals, and together you can create a plan of action. Your coach might give you homework and specific small tasks to accomplish. These things will help you to gain the skills you need to be successful. It helps you become a great leader, while being fair and just. Therefore, the positive energy you put off in life will come back to you tenfold. Whether you want to be more successful in personal relationships, in business, or in life in general, a personal development coach can help you to reach your goals. Most people find the process fun and exciting. In fact, they think it is interesting to work toward their dream, with the help of an expert.